What's up, and welcome back to the channel, Shaken Not Slurred. It has been a long time, a very long time, but you know, that's okay, life, and we're back. So as you can see, we have two separate containers. They are the exact same concoction. So this is raspberry simple syrup. I will be using it in my next drink, so stay tuned for that video. And then also drop a comment and let me know what you guys think the next drink will be. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So first we are going to add our sugar. So we're making simple syrup, so I am going to do half and half. So about I believe this is about half a cup of sugar, and then half a cup of water. And you can kind of tailor this however much you want to make, but just make sure that they're equal parts, sugar and water. I already have the water in there. Get a good look at that. So that is the sugar and water, and that will dissolve once we have that on medium heat. So give that a stir. Now we will add our fresh and cleaned raspberries. As many raspberries as you want. Kind of get those mixed up. Then we will mash those together with our potato masher. So get that, all of that good stuff, all those seeds. So we'll strain this out at the end. Oop, little bubble. Up. And after that, it's kind of been cooking for a while. This is how it will look. Nice and red and all dissolved. Now comes for our straining. Mesh strainer into a mason jar, or you know, whichever glass you have. Make sure to clean up. And this will get all those seeds out. And then we let that cool into the fridge. There you have it.